Mountains emerge from an ocean of clouds. Is this a dream? A waterfall cascades over rocks. Countless fish leap upstream. They are immortalized in the cliff. A dragon stands watch with ever-open eyes. A celestial horse drives away darkness. This is the land of immortal spirits, the guardians of nature. The mountains are alive. They observe. They embrace. They give. Paths lead to higher paths, higher dwellings, a higher existence. Bridges connect the islands. Boats have found their way into these heavenly regions. The wind guided them into this land of peace. The wind pushes the clouds. It carries the birds. It moves the mist. The air is made pure by the wind. Take a deep breath, inhaling the pure wind. Exhale. Inhale the wind. And exhale to purify. We hope you enjoyed Chi-Jen Liu's Nature Sacrifice. Thank you for watching.